Good morning, students. Class 8 Social Studies, Geography Chapter 4 Agriculture. In our previous video, we ended up reading about nomadic herding. Today, we'll start with the second type of farming, that is commercial farming. In this, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. The area cultivated and the amount of capital used is large. कमर्शियल फार्मिंग जो क्रॉप्स ग्रो किए जाते हैं एंड द एनिमल्स विच आर बीइंग रेड इट इज़ फॉर द सेल इन मार्केट टू अर्न मनी. इसके लिए जो एरिया रिक्वायर्ड है फॉर द कल्टिवेशन एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल यानी जो मनी रिक्वायर्ड है दैट इज़ यूज इन लार्ज यानी लार्ज क्वान्टिटी में इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्क इज डन बाय मशीन्स. नाउ कमर्शियल फार्मिंग इंक्लूड्स कमर्शियल ग्रेन फार्मिंग, मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग एंड प्लांटेशन एग्रीकल्चर. As you can see, a sugarcane plantation. Fine. In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purpose. Commercial means we can say economical purpose where people do this to earn profits. Wheat and maize are common commercially grown grains. यानी ये दो grains जो हैं वो बहुत commonly grow होते हैं for commercial purpose. Major areas where commercial grain farming is practiced are temperate grasslands of North America, Europe and Asia. These areas are sparsely populated. यानी यहाँ पे human population बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, but they have large farms spreading over hundreds of acres. Okay. Severe winters restrict. यानी जो यहाँ पे winters बहुत severe होते हैं. That means they are very cold. Winters are too cold. These restrict the growing season and only a single crop can be grown. इसकी वजह से एनुअली अगर हम बात करें तो यहाँ पे एक सिंगल क्रॉप ही ग्रो किया जा सकता है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सीवियर विंटर्स. इन मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग द लैंड इज यूज्ड फॉर ग्रोइंग food and fodder crops and rearing livestock. Livestock means the animals which we use for their products like cow, sheep, goat, hen, etc. It is practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. So these are the places where mixed farming is being carried out. Plantations are a type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton are grown. Large amount of labor and capital are required. यानी बहुत सारे लोगों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और जो मनी इन्वेस्ट होता है दैट इज टर्म्ड एज कैपिटल इज रिक्वायर्ड. द प्रोड्यूस मे बी प्रोसेस्ड ऑन द फार्म इटसेल्फ और इन नियर बाई फैक्ट्रीज. यानी ये जो प्रोडक्शन होती है उसकी जो प्रोसेसिंग होती है फाइनल दैट इज डन ऑन द फार्म इटसेल्फ यानी वहाँ पे भी हो सकती है और इट कैन बी डन इन नियर बाई फैक्ट्रीज. The development of a transport network is thus essential for such farming. यानी इस तरह की फार्मिंग के लिए हमें जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है उसका जो नेटवर्क है वी नीड अ डेवलप्ड वन. अगर डेवलप नहीं होगा, फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं होगी तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनके प्रोसेसिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आएगी. मेजर प्लांटेशंस आर फाउंड इन द ट्रॉपिकल रीजन्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. रबर इन मलेशिया, कॉफ़ी इन ब्राज़ील, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples. Let's have a look at some major crops which are grown to meet the requirement of the growing population. यानी population जो बढ़ती जा रही है it is increasing, so the needs are also increasing. Crops also supply raw materials for agro-based industries. Agro means we can say the agriculture-based industries. जो industries agriculture पे based है क्योंकि वो जो प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं उसके लिए जो रॉ मटेरियल्स चाहिए दैट आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय सम क्रॉप्स. मेजर फूड क्रॉप्स मीन्स विच आर ईटेबल्स आर व्हीट, राइस, मेज एंड मिलेट्स. जूट एंड कॉटन आर फाइबर क्रॉप्स. easy to understand, jute and cotton as fiber. Important beverage crops are tea and coffee. Worldwide it is in demand, as we all know, tea and coffee, the most common and important one. Rice. Rice is the major food crop of the world. It is the staple diet of the tropical and subtropical regions. Staple diet we can say the main food. राइस नीड्स हाई टेम्परेचर, यानी राइस को ग्रो करने के लिए जो उसकी नीड्स होती हैं दैट आर हाई टेम्परेचर, हाई ह्यूमिडिटी एंड रेनफॉल। इट ग्रोज बेस्ट इन एल्यूवियल क्ले सॉइल, यानी ये सॉइल इसके लिए बेस्ट होता है, विच कैन रिटेन वाटर, जो वाटर को अब्जॉर्व कर सकता है। चाइना लीड्स इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ राइस फॉलोड बाय इंडिया, जापान, श्रीलंका एंड इजिप्ट। In favorable climate conditions as in West Bengal and Bangladesh, 2 to 3 crops are grown in a year. यानी यहाँ पे जो climatic conditions है वो favorable है, so it's possible to grow 2 or 3 crops in a year. Wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during growing season. Moderate means not more, not less, and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It thrives best in well-drained loamy soil. जो बेस्ट वेल ड्रेन लोमी सॉइल होता है, वेल ड्रेन मीन्स जिससे पानी निकल जाता है, दैट इज बेस्ट फॉर व्हीट. Wheat is grown extensively in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. In India, it is grown in winter. Millets. They are also known as coarse grains. Coarse means the rough grains and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soils. Sandy soil जो less fertile होते हैं उसमें easily grow हो सकते हैं. It is a hardy crop. Hardy crop means जिसको ripe होने में minimum 60 days लगते हैं. That needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. Adequate means you can say जितनी requirement होती है that much. Jawar, bajra, ragi are grown in India. Other countries are Nigeria, China and Niger. Maize. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine. It needs well-drained fertile soils. Maize is grown in North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. Moving on to next major crop, that is cotton. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days, and bright sunshine for its growth. It grows best on black and alluvial soil. China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil, and Egypt are the leading producers of cotton. It is one of the main raw materials for the cotton textile industries. Understood है, क्योंकि कॉटन के जो कपड़े बनते हैं for that it is the main raw material. Jute. Jute was also known as golden fiber. It was known, we can say, in the ancient times. It grows well on alluvial soil and requires high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate. Humid जहाँ पे हम बहुत suffocating feel करते हैं, humidity, that kind of climate. This crop is grown in the tropical areas. Tropical means the hot and humid climate, that kind of area. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. Coffee requires warm and wet climate and well-drained loamy soil. Drained, as I explained you, where the water runs out easily, that loamy soil is required for coffee. Hill slopes are more suitable for growth of this crop. Brazil is the leading producer, followed by Colombia and India. That means after Brazil, Colombia and India are the leading producers of coffee. As you can see the coffee plantations. Next major crop is tea. Tea is a beverage crop grown on plantations. This requires cool climate and well-distributed high rainfall throughout the year for the growth of its tender leaves, which are very soft ones. Okay. It needs well-drained loamy soils and gentle slopes. Labor in large number is required to pick the leaves. You can see the tea plantations. You must have seen in televisions or the pics. Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka produce the best quality tea in the world. Today we'll end up here. You go through the content, whatever we have read today. and the previous ones. If you have any queries, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you class.